just came briefly. I had a conference in Georgia. Then let me tell you, politicians always, whether in Bomachoge, out of our 9 good, or 13, now the entire Gusii, Nyamira and Kisii County, politicians wherever, if your fellow politician calls you, you listen. Now I go Nangri Guru Kenya, now I go for the sole purpose of giving him support as he thanks you. Amalieta Andrew Maubi Reveals, daktari neli ya masomo tu, but it doesn't matter in politics, I can tell you. Whether you get your PhD or get your Form 4 certificate, provided you do not, if you do not serve the people, or you do not have policy, you do not have manifesto, then your PhD does not matter. Okay? So, our brother Nyangenya, what the Ramboli? Mwebireke kusi. What the Ramboli and the a man or a woman, I'm gender sensitive, the what the 2/3 gender rule nowadays. Here it's more pronounced, right? So a man always lives to fight another day. That's right. And I can tell you, you guys may not know. They are quick to get money. Which is a good thing. And the rest. Alright? So you get in there. It's your first time, like I know yours was, right? Mine was the first time Kitutu Church South. Richard Onyonka. You know, I know you, when you go into politics, you want to, you know, 2 things. You either win or do what? Lose. But of course, no one gets into a fight like that to lose. No chonka anyonya nare kobodi chikura. And they can say that in my mind, I'm going for it. You'll be wasting your time. You better stop. Because the same way somebody else believes is the same way I believe I'll do what? I'll win. That is the spirit. So I got a little Gusii, Karatoko Nagoli Chikura Ngara. We go on to our Deva Nangaba that one I will. Our David Nanganai, weka data. I weka. Go, you get the my no my dog on an hour, I weka. Yeah, that is what people do. There is something that really finishes somebody completely. If you do not have a heart in your politics, you cannot do it again. But I said, I chose to get into politics. And I will not stop. I will not stop until the policies I had, until the manifesto I had and I have is delivered to the people. Whether it takes me 20 years, I know, but 20 years is too far. Next 2022, majaliwa yake Mwenyezi Mungu, inshallah, bunge lazima, Mungu yupo. And so, I do not have much. Next time, Next time, I can what the function, niga, na nje na angeli.